In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make the generation faster in Midjourney. First, open your browser and head to Google. In the search bar, type Midjourney and hit enter. From the results, click the official Midjourney website. This route is simple and avoids having to remember any specific URLs, and it ensures you're landing on the correct page every time. Once you're on the site, look for the option to enable draft mode. This is the key to speeding things up. Draft mode prioritizes speed over fine detail, so you'll see images appear much faster than in standard modes. It's perfect for brainstorming, previewing compositions, and iterating quickly. Just keep in mind that because it's optimized for speed, the output may be a little rougher around the edges. You can always refine later once you've found a direction you like. Next, it's time to write your prompt. Keep it clear and focused so the system can lock onto your intent quickly. For example, you might enter something like Toy Factory Surreal. If you typically use parameters, you can add them as needed, such as style or variation controls. It's often helpful to start simple in draft mode, then layer in specifics when you're ready for a more detailed pass. Short, descriptive phrases tend to render faster and keep your previews snappy. When your prompt looks good, go ahead and click Submit. You'll notice the progress move quickly, and a preview should appear in a fraction of the time you might be used to. If your connection is stable, keep the tab active while it generates to avoid unnecessary delays. Now, review the result. Ask yourself whether the composition, lighting, and overall mood are heading in the right direction. If they are, that's your green light to iterate with small tweaks to the prompt, or switch out of draft mode for a higher quality render once you've locked in the concept. If the result isn't quite there, adjust a word or two and submit again. With draft mode, those quick cycles are exactly where you'll save the most time. That's all there is to it. Open Midjourney, enable draft mode, craft a focused prompt, submit, and evaluate your fast preview. Use draft mode for speed, then refine when you're ready for final quality. Thanks for watching, and have fun accelerating your image generations.